Welcome to Top 6 Must-Have Tools for Every DIY Enthusiast. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just diving into DIY projects, having the right tools makes all the difference. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. Cordless Air Duster. Say goodbye to wasteful compressed gas cans with this eco-friendly, rechargeable cordless air duster. Designed for versatility, it's perfect for cleaning delicate electronics like keyboards, cameras, and computers. Its ergonomic and portable design features a retractable nozzle, making it easy to handle and carry. Powered by a high-speed 33,000 RPM motor, this duster efficiently blasts away stubborn dust and debris. With a built-in 6,000 mAh battery, you get up to 30 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning per charge, ensuring minimal downtime. Not only does this tool reduce waste, but it also promotes sustainability, making it an environmentally conscious choice for keeping your gadgets dust-free. Number 5. Hoto Laser Tape. Take measurements to the next level with the Hoto Laser Tape. This intelligent laser rangefinder offers precision and convenience with a 30-meter range. Its sleek OLED display delivers clear, real-time feedback, making it easy to read in any lighting condition. But that's not all. It's smart too. Connect it to its dedicated app, and you can draw accurate layouts directly on your smartphone. Whether you're working on interior design, construction, or DIY projects, the Hoto Laser Tape is your ultimate measuring companion. Compact, efficient, and highly functional, this tool is a must-have for anyone who values precision. Number 4. LMDZ Wooden Awl. Craftsmanship meets functionality with the LMDZ Wooden Awl. Ergonomically designed with a comfortable wooden handle, this tool reduces hand fatigue even during extended use. Crafted from durable wood and stainless steel, it promises precision and longevity. Ideal for leather crafts, this versatile awl is perfect for stitching, punching, and marking leather. Whether you're repairing shoes, creating unique leather accessories, or working on intricate designs, this awl is your go-to tool. Its sharp stainless steel tip effortlessly pierces through leather, ensuring every stitch is perfect. From hobbyists to professionals, this is an essential addition to any toolkit. Number 3. Laminate Repair Kit. Minor scratches and damages to laminate floors, furniture, or worktops are no longer a problem with this laminate repair kit. This versatile set is designed for both DIY enthusiasts and advanced users, offering everything needed to restore your surfaces to their former glory. The kit includes 11 wax blocks in various colors, allowing you to mix and match to recreate the perfect shade. Ideal for laminate floors, decorative worktops, wooden furnishings, and even tiles, it's your all-in-one solution for home repairs. With easy-to-use filler sticks and a sturdy casing for organization, this kit is perfect for home, office, or even your boat. Say goodbye to visible scratches with this reliable mending tool set. Number 2. Bowl Tool Belt. Keep your tools within arm's reach with the Bowl Tool Belt. Designed for electricians, handymen, and DIY enthusiasts, this waste tool pouch is both practical and durable. With multiple pockets and compartments, it helps you stay organized while tackling tasks. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Bowl Tool Belt is built to withstand heavy use. Whether you're on a construction site or handling home repairs, this tool pouch ensures that everything you need is always accessible. Number 1. Hoto Cordless Screwdriver. The Hoto Cordless Screwdriver redefines convenience and efficiency. With its sleek, minimalist design, this tool combines style and performance. Its screwless, all-in-one construction ensures a user-friendly experience with intuitive buttons for screwing and unscrewing. Weighing just 250 grams, the screwdriver features a double-layered non-slip grip made from high-strength plastic and soft TPE rubber for comfort and durability. Equipped with a high-speed magnetic motor and metallic gearbox, it delivers stable and powerful performance. The built-in 1500 mAh lithium battery provides ultra-long endurance, allowing you to complete multiple tasks on a single charge. With an included set of 12 S2 steel bits, this screwdriver is ideal for assembling furniture, repairing electronics, or tackling any DIY project with ease. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.